Hey guys, so I'm at the Holiday Inn in Penang at the moment and I'm staying in room 2132. Well, obviously on the 21st floor, so I'm just gonna do a quick room tour of the room itself. Here is the key card. Let's go ahead and get started. Now today's room tour is a bit special because I'm rarely filming a hotel in Penang, but because I have some IHG points that are about to expire, we decided to spend those points on a hotel stay right here at the Holiday Inn in Penang. So yeah, that's the floor plan. Slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and make up room switches, and some other light switches. That's the view that you get when you enter the room. That's the bathroom, the shower, toilet, sink, hello, bathtub, another mirror, the cupboard, with the in-room safe, that's the pantry, fridge, place to put luggage, and this room has a couple of queen-size beds, climate control panel, TV, some storage below, desk, another mirror, and the balcony. That's the view. Quite a nice view actually. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2132 at the Holiday Inn in Penang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.